This Google My Business training is a free online course offered by Google themselves through its free Skillshop platform. This course is designed to help small business owners and marketers learn how to effectively use the platform to promote their local business online. The course covers some important topics, including setting up a Google My Business listing, optimizing your business for search engines, Google Maps listing, managing customer reviews and interactions, and using insights to track your listing's performance. You will also learn how to use Google My Business to showcase your products, services, and promotions to potential customers. The course is self-paced and consists of several modules that can be completed at your own pace. Each module includes a mix of text, images, and interactive elements to help you learn and retain the information. Upon completion of the course, you will receive an achievement badge of completion that you can showcase to potential clients or employers. I hope this helps your local business. Please subscribe for more tutorials and free tools for marketing online. Thanks for viewing and happy marketing.